Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a very simple repair replacing the vent latches on the top sash of your double hung window in case the need ever arises for us to mail you a service part so you can tackle it yourself. My name is Michael DiMartino, and I've been in the remodeling and home improvement industry for over 20 years. I've also been featured on bobvila.com and realtor.com as a home expert. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Occasionally, through the course of normal wear and tear, some of the components of our windows may need to be repaired or replaced. I'm gonna show you today how simple it is to replace one of the vent latches so that we can mail you that service part if needed or if you want to, so that you don't have to wait for a service technician, take time off of work, cut into your personal time. And I'm gonna just give you an idea of how you can do this with simple handheld tools that are commonly found around most homes. Now, I'm gonna use a small pry bar for this, but this can also be substituted with a putty knife or a painter's 5-in-1 tool. You just wanna make sure you get something with a thin enough blade that you can slide it behind the vent latch and in between that and the frame of the sash. Be gentle, because you don't wanna scratch your sash, but just give it a little pry. This comes out incredibly easy. If not, you can use pliers to pull it out. And the replacement vent latch that came in the mail, make sure that you put the hook in the bottom first. Abracadabra. Please let us know in the comments any topics that you guys would like to see us address in future videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified first when we do release those videos. For any lingering issues, call us at 888-REMODEL or visit our website at powerhrg.com.